if x square plus y square equals to 7xy, then prove that 2 log of x plus y equals to 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So if we observe the question clearly, in the question no term is negative. If in the given question all the terms are positive, then we need to add 2xy for this equation. So if we take the equation x square plus y square equals to 7xy, as all the terms in the question are positives, we need to add 2xy. Adding 2xy on both the sides. So what we will get then? X square plus y square plus 2xy equals to 7xy plus 2xy. Now if you observe the left side part, x square plus y square plus 2xy, it's nothing but x plus y whole square, that equals to 7xy plus 2xy, 9xy. Now I will apply log on both the sides. So we will get log of x plus y whole square equals to log 9xy. In the logarithm, if the power is for the main number, it will go to the front as usual. So 2 log of x plus y equals to log 9xy. Here 9xy is nothing but 9 into x into y. So in the logarithm, multiplication will become plus, right? So log 9xy can be written as log 9 plus log x plus log y. Now left side part I am writing as it is, that is 2 log of x plus y equals to log 9 can be written as 3 square plus log x plus log y. Log of x plus y equals to, here as usual again the power is for the main number, so it will come to the front as usual. So log 3 square will become 2 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Hence proved. Coming to the next one, if set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, verify n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So now if you observe the question, he's asking something to verify a formula n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. If we remember this formula, it will be very beneficial to us also, because always in the exams he won't give the complete formula. Sometimes he will just ask to find out the relation between n of A, n of B, n of A union B and n of A intersection B. So if you remember the formula, it will be helpful in that cases especially. So in this, n of A, number of elements in the set A, n of B, number of elements in the set B. Set A is given directly, set B is also given directly, so there is no problem at all with this n of A and n of B. Then coming to the remaining two terms in the formula, those are n of A intersection B and n of A union B. A union B, which is not given directly in the question, A intersection B, that is also not given in the question directly. So first let us find out the values of A union B as well as A intersection B. Then after we will go with how many elements are there in that. So first A union B. In already previous classes we discussed very clearly that how to find out A union B as well as A intersection B. So let's once again revise it. A union is nothing but all the elements together. In the set A as well as in the set B, whatever the elements are there, we need to write all those elements together. So now if you check, in the set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So write those all 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from the set B, first element is 1, but already we wrote 1 here, so don't repeat it again. Next element is 3, already 3 completed, so don't write it. Next one is 5, so 5 we didn't write previously, so write it now. Then coming to the last element 7, so 7 also we didn't write previously, so write it now. So this is A union B. Now coming to the last term, that is A intersection B. What about this intersection? Intersection is nothing but the elements which are common in both the sets, those elements only we need to write. So now if you observe the set A and set B, here 1, here 1, and coming to 3, 3. So 1 and 3 are the only elements which are common in set A and set B. So we need to write those elements 1, 3. A intersection B will be 1, 3. Okay, now let us move to the original formula which we have, that is n of A, n of A B, n of A intersection B and n of A union B. So in A union B, how many elements are there? That we will write it as cardinality of A union B, nothing but n of A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the A union B set, we have completely 6 elements. So n of A union B will be 6. Next, coming to the A intersection B, n of A intersection B, number of elements in set A intersection B, 1, 2. Only simply 2 elements are there. Now let us write these in the formula, that is n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, right? So n of A union B, in A union B how many are there? 6, equals to n of A in the set A how many are there? 4, plus n of B in set B also 4 elements are there, minus n of A intersection B in the set B, A intersection B we have 2 elements. 6 equals to 4 plus 4, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 is equals to 6. We verified the formula n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Coming to the next one, find zeros of 2x square plus 3x minus 2 and verify the relation between zeros and coefficient. So it is one of the very important questions actually. Almost in every exam they will ask some question related to this finding zeros and verification compulsory. So let's have a look at it, how to find it out. First take the given polynomial 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by the method called factorization, or simply splitting the middle term into 2 terms. We need to find out the roots or zeros of this polynomial. So let us check it out. 2x square I am writing as it is, plus 3x I am replacing with 4x minus x minus 2 as it is. From 2x square plus 4x we can take out 2x common, then remains with x plus 2. Then I am taking minus 1 common, so remains with x plus 2. Then finally 2x minus 1 into x plus 2. So what will be our zeros then? So that is x is equals to, here minus 1 is there, so plus 1. Here multiplied by 2 is there, so divided by 2. One of the zeros is 1 by 2 and the second one. Here plus 2 is there, right? So our 0 will become minus 2. So the zeros of the given polynomial are 1 by 2 and minus 2. Now from these zeros, 1 0 I am taking as alpha. So alpha equals to 1 by 2. And the second 0 I am taking as beta. So beta equals to minus 2. You can take in reverse also, nothing will happen, the same answer you will get anyway. Now we need to find out the sum of the zeros as well as product of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta value and alpha into beta value, sum of the zeros as well as product of the zeros. So first let us find out sum of the zeros. Alpha we took as 1 by 2 and beta as minus 2, right? So alpha 1 by 2 minus beta is 2. So if we simplify this, 1 minus 2 2s are 4 by 2. 1 minus 4 minus 3 divided by 2. Next coming to the alpha into beta. Alpha is 1 by 2 into beta is minus 2. 2 will get cancelled, then we remains with minus 1. So sum of the zeros is minus 3 by 2 and product of the zeros is minus 1. Next, same sum of the zeros as well as product of the zeros we need to find out by using the formulas. So sum of the zeros formula is minus b by a and product of the zeros formula is c by a. So let us substitute these numbers then. Minus symbol as it is I am keeping. Then we have b. So what exactly this b is? B is nothing but x coefficient. Here x coefficient is 3. So in the place of b we need to substitute 3. divided by a. Coming to the a is nothing but x square coefficient. Here x square coefficient is 2. So in the place of a, we need to substitute 2. Next, coming to the c by a. C, what exactly the c means? It's nothing but constant, that is minus 2. So c value is minus 2 divided by a. As usual, we know it is 2. So now minus 3 by 2 we cannot simplify. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Now we need to compare these answers with the previous one. Alpha plus beta in the previous case we got as minus 3 by 2. Now also minus 3 by 2. Alpha into beta we got as minus 1 and now also minus 1. So verification done. Coming to the next one. Solve the given pair of linear equations by elimination method. The given equations are x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. It's very simple. The first equation we need to multiply by the second equation x coefficient. Here second equation x coefficient is 2, right? So we need to multiply the first equation by 2. And the second equation we need to multiply by the first equation x coefficient. In the first equation before x nothing is there, so it means 1. Then the 1 will be the coefficient. So now after multiplication we will get some new equations, right? So let us write those one. 1x into 2, 2x plus y into 2, 2y equals to 5 2s are 10. Coming to the second equation, 2x into 1, 2x minus 3y into 1, 3y equals to 4 1s are 4. Now these two equations I am going to do subtraction. So while doing subtraction, all the symbols will change of the second equation. So plus 2x becomes minus 2x, minus 3y becomes plus 3y, plus 4 becomes minus 4. Now plus 2x minus 2x both will get cancelled. Then 2y plus 3y, 5y equals to 10 minus 4, 6. Now we need to find out the y value. So take 5 to the right side. Then y equals to 6 divided by 5. Now this y value we need to substitute in any one of the equation so that we will get the x value. So let us check it out. I am taking the first equation, that is x plus y equals to 5. X plus y equals to 5. Now x as it is, plus in the place of y I am substituting 6 by 5. 6 by 5 which is equals to 5. Now 6 by 5 I am taking to the right side. So x is equals to 5 plus 6 by 5. If you take another side it becomes minus 6 by 5. Then if you simplify this further, 5 5s are 25. So x value will be 25 minus 6 divided by 5. 25 minus 6, 19 divided by 5. So the x value is 19 by 5 and y value is 6 by 5. Next, if alpha comma beta are the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0, then find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This question may looks difficult, but this is one of the very easy questions. So let's have what exactly they are asking. He is asking the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. First let us try to simplify this. Here both the denominators are different. So if the denominators are different, we will go with the cross multiplication or else LCM method. So again, if LCM of numbers are very easy, but in this case alpha and beta are there, so not to have any confusion, I am not using the word LCM, simply I am going with the cross multiplication word. That is 1 into beta, beta plus alpha into 1, alpha divided by alpha into beta, alpha beta. Now coming to the numerator, beta plus alpha is the same as alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a divided by denominator alpha beta, alpha into beta, the product of the zeros formula is c by a. So now here a both we can get cancelled, so remains with minus b divided by c. Now let us substitute those values. Minus symbol as it is. Then in the numerator we have b, right? So what exactly this b means? X coefficient. Here x coefficient is 3. So in the place of b, 3 divided by c. C is nothing but constant, right? So here the constant is 7. So in the place of e, substituting 7. So the final value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is minus 3 by 7. Coming to the next question. Find the AP, that is arithmetic progression, whose 10th term is 5 and 18th term is 77. 10th term is 5. What is the formula for 10th term? That is a plus 9d. So that 10th term is given as 5. Next, 18th term is 77. So what is the formula for 18th term? A plus 17d. That is equals to 77. So now these two equations we need to solve either by substitution method or else by elimination method. So I am feeling that elimination method only much easier. So I am going to solve it by elimination method. Both the equations I am going to do subtraction. So plus a becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus a minus a both will get cancelled. 9d minus 17d minus 8d, which is equals to 5 minus 77 minus 72. Left side as well as right side, both the negative symbols will get cancelled. Then we remains with 8d equals to 72. So 8d equals to 72. Then we need to find out the d value, right? So let us take this 8 towards the right side. 8 if we take to the right side, then it becomes division. So d equals to 72 by 8. 8 ones are 8 nines are. So finally the d value is 9. Then this d value we need to substitute either in the first equation or else in the second equation. So for that I am taking this first equation, that is a plus 9d equals to 5. A plus 9d equals to 5. A plus 9 into d value we got as 9, right? Substituting that 9 equals to 5. A plus 9 nines are 81, which is equals to 5. Now we need to find out the a value. So take plus 81 to the right side. Then we get a equals to 5 plus 81 will become minus 81. So a equals to 5 minus 81 minus 76. So a value is minus 76 and d value is 9. Then what exactly they are asking to find out in the question? They are asking to write AP only directly. So first term minus 76. For that minus 76, we need to keep on adding the d value. D value we got 9, right? So minus 76 plus 9 minus 69. Minus 69. Then minus 69 plus 9 minus 60. Minus 60 plus 9 minus 51 and so on. So this is the arithmetic progression which we required. Okay, coming to the next question. Find the distance between cos 30 comma 0 and 0 comma cos 60. These kind of questions are called as connecting type of questions. One chapter they will connect with another chapter. So observe this clearly. Distance formula that comes under coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry chapter they are connecting to trigonometry chapter where cos 30 and cos 60 are there. So let us find out the values first of all. What is the value of cos 30? So cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. 0 as it is, no problem. And 0 comma cos 60. What is cos 60 value then? 1 by 2. So let us substitute these all in the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now let me substitute in the formula. Under root x2 0 minus x1 root 3 by 2 whole square plus y2 cos 60 that is 1 by 2 minus y1 0 whole square under root. 0 is not necessary. Then we remains with minus root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square. Under root, for minus we are doing square, so it will become plus. This square is applicable for numerator as well as for denominator. So root 3 square 3 by 2 square 4 plus here also same, the square is applicable for numerator as well as for denominator. 1 square 1 by 2 square 4. So now if we observe this under root, both the denominators are same, so we can add the numerators. 3 plus 1 4 divided by 4. 4 both will get cancelled, then we remains with under root 1. Root 1 value is 1. We are finding the distance, so this will be 1 unit. Let us check the next question. Triangle ABC is given in which DE is parallel to BC. AD measurement is x, DB measurement is x plus 1, AE is x plus 3 and EC is x plus 5. Then we need to find out the x value. So now if you observe this, DE line is parallel to BC line, right? So in a given triangle, if two lines are parallel, then easily we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. That is AD by DB equals to AE by EC, this side. In our words, if we say upper one by lower one equals to upper one by lower one. So now what is the AD value here? X divided by dB x plus 1, which is equals to AE x plus 3 divided by EC x plus 5. Do cross multiplication. X into x plus 5 equals to x plus 1 into x plus 3. X into x square plus x into 5x equals to x into x square, x into 3x plus 1 into x plus 1x or simply x plus 1 into 3 plus 3. So still if we simplify this, left side x square, right side x square both will get cancelled. Then we remains with 5x is equals to 3x plus x, 4x plus 3. Taking 4x to the left side, so right side 4x is positive number. If we take to the left side, then it becomes minus 5x minus 4x is equals to 3. 5x minus 4x is 1x or simply x. So x value we got it as 3. Next, ABC, a triangle is there. In that triangle, we have a circle which is touching the sides of the triangle with the points M, N, O. Then he is asking to find out the BC side. Now, if we observe this clearly, this is a point which is completely outside of the circle. So, from this point, then this will become one tangent, right? And this will become the second tangent. So, as we know very well, from outside of a circle, if we draw two tangents onto that circle, then those measurements will be equal to each other. So here AN is 3 units means AM also will be 3 units only, because those two are tangents, so they will be having equal measurement. Then coming to the next one, this total measurement he clearly mentioned it as 9 units. From here to here already 3 units completed. Then the remaining part will be 6 units, right? So MC will be 6 units. Now coming to this point C. Here point C to O, that is one tangent, and CM is another tangent. So CM is 6 units means definitely CO also will be 6 units only. Next, coming to the third vertex B. Here point B is outside of the circle. So BN is a tangent and BO is a tangent. So BN is 4 units means then BO also 4 units only. Now in the question he is asking to find out the value of BC, right? So BC is nothing but total measurement, that is 4 plus 6, which is equals to 10 units. Next, CSA of a cone is 4070 centimeter square and its diameter is 70 centimeter. Then find L. So CSA, curved surface area of a cone, is given and diameter also given. He is asking to find out L value, nothing but slant height. So let us check once. CSA of a cone. What is the formula for curved surface area of a cone? Curved surface area of a cone is equals to pi RL. So that pi RL value he gave, pi RL is given as 4070. So let us substitute the whatever the values they gave. Pi value we know very well, 22 by 7. In the place of pi I am substituting 22 by 7 times radius. Diameter is given as 70, then the radius will be half of it, right? So 70 by 2 into slant height. Slant height we don't know, we need to find out. So that's the reason I am just substituting it as L only, which is equals to 4070. Now we need to find out the L value. So the remaining all I am taking to the right side. Then L equals to 4070 as it is into this 22 by 7 I am taking to another side. Then 22 by 7 will become 7 by 22 into 70 by 2 also I am taking to the right side. Then 70 by 2 will become 2 by 70. So let us do some calculation part, then we will get the value of L. 7 ones are 7 tens are. Here 0, here 0 will get cancelled. Then remaining part is 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 7 remains, 11 sevens are 77. Then finally these two will get cancelled. Then we remains with L equals to 37. And always when we are doing any question related to tangents and secants or its applications of trigonometry or especially mensuration, we should not forget the units. So here diameter is given in centimeters and CSA is given in centimeter square. Then the slant height will be equals to 37 centimeter. Next, coming to the next question, show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Here left side cosec theta I am writing it as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta I am writing it as cos theta by sin theta whole square as it is. Now if we observe here both the denominators are same. So if both the denominators are same means we can subtract the numerators. Then we can write it as 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now this square is applicable for numerator as well as for denominator. So I am writing that as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. Sin theta whole square is also can be written as sin square theta, which is equals to 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by sin square theta. One formula is there, right, related to identities, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Now the numerator part I am writing as it is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 I am writing it as 1 square minus cos square theta, that is in the form of a square minus b square, right? So a square minus b square can also be written as a plus b into a minus b. So 1 square minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. In the numerator and denominator you have observe 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta both will get cancelled. Then remains with 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta. This is what exactly we need to prove. Next question. A boy observed the top of a pole at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees when the observation point is 8 meters away from the foot of the pole. Then find the pole height. So, if we assume this as a pole, one boy is observing this angle of elevation is given as 60 degrees. And when the pole is, when the observation point is 8 meters away from the foot of the pole. So this is a foot of the pole and this is the observation point. So the distance between these two is given as 8 meters. Then he is asking to find out the height of the pole. So now we don't have any work with the question at all, just we can go with the figure. In this applications of trigonometry total chapter, if you can able to draw the figure correctly, then definitely you are going to get the answer. No doubt at all in that. Okay, now observe the question. This is angle. For angle, this side will become opposite side, and for that angle, this side will become adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent, which trigonometric ratio we can take? So two trigonometric ratios are possible. One is tan and one is cot. So whatever you feel easy, go with that one. So I am going to take tan. So tan 60 equals to opposite, I don't know, so I am taking it as x divided by adjacent 8. So this is opposite and this is adjacent. So tan 60 value √3 equals to x divided by 8. So I need to find out that x values, then took 8 to the left side. There it is division. If you take another side, become multiplication. So 8 into √3 equals to x. So x is nothing but height, right? Height should be in meters. So this you write it as meters. So height of the pole is 8 √3 meters. Next, if P of E, probability of occurring an event, equals to 0.65, then find P of E dash, probability of not occurring an event. So probability of occurring an event, that is P of E plus probability of not occurring an event, P of E naught, equals to 1. So here P of E is given as 0.65, right? So 0.65 plus P of E naught we need to find out. So I am writing as it is, equals to 1. Now this 0.65 take to the right side. Then if you take to the right side, it becomes minus. So probability of E naught, or else P of E naught, is equals to 1 minus 0.65. What is the value of 1 minus 0.65? It's nothing but 0.35. So probability of not occurring an event is 0.35. Coming to the next question, if the mean of x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8 is 11, then find the x value. We know one formula related to ungrouped data of mean. So mean equals to sum of observations by number of observations. sum of observations, the given all the observations we need to do addition, that is x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8 whole divided by number of observations. This is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 observations are there, and he clearly mentioned that the mean is 11, right? So in the place of mean I am writing 11. Then I will take this 5 to the left side. So if I take 5 to the left side, then it becomes multiplication. So 11 5s are 55. That is equals to x plus x 2x plus x 3x plus x 4x plus x 5x plus 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. 55 equals to 5x plus 20. I am taking this 20 to the left side. 55 minus 20 equals to 5x. 55 minus 20, it is 35 equals to 5x. I need to find out x value, so bring 5 to this side, then it becomes division. 35 divided by 5 equals to x. 5 1s are 5 7s are. So the value of x is 7.